Here's a look. What's up? Thank you for coming back. If you're not subscribed to me, hit the subscribe button. Hit the alerts if you subscribe, if you're not subscribed, so you can know when I have a video uploaded. Follow me on my Instagram at Shirfit Johnson. Snapchat too if you like. I have the same name, Shirfit Johnson. If you have any questions about this hair and where I got it from, the cost and all of that, just go to my description bar because the link will be right there. So this look right here is honestly amazing for prom. You can wear it anywhere, but right now it is prom season. So first I'm gonna wash the hair very gently. I'm gonna use some shampoo and some conditioner and just put it into some water that I already have prepared in the sink, and I'm mixing it up a bit, and then I'm gonna take the hair and just go ahead and brush it out, get out any knots and tangles that it may have, because I've been wearing this unit for a week now. As you can see, I was starting from the bottom of the hair to the very top, and then also I want to make sure that I flip this over, because we all know wigs and weaves get tangled from the nape horribly, and so I'm just getting out all those tangles from the combs and all the tangles in the nape. So this unit has quite a bit of combs, and I'm just taking out any of my hair or its hair. So for a clean weave also means a clean brush. So I was just getting out some of the hair from the brush, and then I started washing the hair, and all that I'm doing is dipping it in the water. As you can see, the water is getting dirty from all the oils that I have on the weave. And I'm just going to take some shampoo and run it through the hair very gently, because I don't want to create any tangles, and I also don't want to be rough on this hair because I want to preserve it as long as possible. So afterwards, I go ahead and dip it more to get out the shampoo, and when that's all done, I just take a towel and I dry it. I did leave this hair to air dry, but if you want to, you can take a blow dryer and dry it that way. So the night before, I had already braided my hair into the braiding pattern that I wanted. I wanted the front section to be completely out and the back section to be braided up. My wig is completely clean and super flowy. Instead of wearing it as a U-part wig, I'll be straightening the U to make it go straight across my hairline. So I'm just entering the combs into my scalp and flipping this bad boy over. And this unit has another comb in the back, and it also has clips, so I'm just taking the clips and securing it down. It also has a strap. I'm not strapping it on as of now, but my leave out, I'm going to go ahead and take it out. So I just put my leave out in braids, and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to style it like that. You can, if you want to, straighten your hair. You can curl your hair with the wand, but honestly I believe that any type of curly, people do not they don't know the difference. So I feel like my braid out will match just fine, and especially how I'm gonna style it. So right here, I'm just making sure my hair will cover up the unit in the front, and then I put a bobby pin there so that part would lay flat. So add any bobby pins if you need to. And then next, I'm just going to take some of the hair from the wig and pull it up. I'm also going to make sure you can't see any tracks from this wig, and I'm just going to do the other side. And so to hold it up right now, I'm using like a little banana clip, but I'm going to use a ponytail holder. So I'm just turning around for you guys so you can see that I need to add some more hair in the back to give the ponytail that fullness, because I will be tucking my real hair away. And now I'm just taking a ponytail holder and securing the wig, and also making sure it's somewhat tight. And you see, if I would have had this hair in a braid out, it would match like really good with my real hair. But today I'm going to wand the weave, and you guys know what wanding looks like, so I'm not going to show you every single strand of me wanding, but here is half of my hair
wand it. And honestly, I did the wands in all different directions. I'm not just going one specific way. I'm going whatever way I feel like it, because that'll make the hair bigger and look more natural. And I'm leaving it on for 10 seconds every time that I wrap, and then I'm kind of cradling the curl. And so for my natural hair, what I'm going to do is basically braid it up, because I really don't want to put heat on my hair, and I'm just going to wrap it around the base of my ponytail and secure it with the bobby pin. And you could, like I told you earlier, you could straighten your hair, you could wand it, but my hair is natural, so I don't really feel like putting heat on it at this current moment, or really at all. And then I'm just gonna take my fingers and run through the curls back and front, side to side, and I'm almost done. I'm pretty much done. I am done. So just keep separating your curls, or leave them as curled as you want them to be. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe, share with other people who are going to prom. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at Sherford Johnson.